Hi friends, my name is Abdul and in this video I will explain you about a simple energy meter that we will be using to check all those values like voltages, currents and power factor, and we will also try to calculate different powers like active power, reactive power and apparent power. So before starting the video will request you, if you like my videos then please like, share and subscribe. So the thing over here is that we will be using in one energy source that will be an AC source, and we will use this circuit over here. This will be used to measure the AC voltages, and the beauty of this circuit is that we are not converting the AC signal into a DC signal and then give the DC signal to the Arduino. The problem associated with that kind of topology is that, for example, if you convert the AC signal into a DC signal, and then that DC signal and the algorithm that you will write, you have to measure like simple analog function. But for to purify that signal, or if you do not purify that signal, then there will be too much ripples in the reading. But to purify that signal, you have to add capacitors and some kind of listeners and voltage regulators. But with that problems, for example, if the voltages drop, then your circuit will take too much time to correct the value, because the capacitor will remain charged and you have to wait until the capacitor get discharged. And if you do not use the capacitor, then there will be too much ripples. So the beauty of this circuit is that we are not converting a AC signal into DC signal. You can see that I am just giving the AC signal from here to over here. So the direct AC signal is going into the Arduino, and we are getting that signal measured in Arduino. And the same thing is we are doing over here for the current sensor. We are basically giving a AC current into a CT, which is a current transformer. We can use ACS 712 current sensor as well, but to demonstrate over here I am using a current transformer. So the same thing will give the circuit the current sorry, the signal to the Arduino. So we have both AC signals, then we are using some couple of circuitry to measure the power factor, and then that power factor is also giving on the Arduino pin number 13. And we are using a relay circuit over here, which will be able to turn on and turn off the circuit in different conditions. For example, if the voltage goes beyond a certain limit, and if the current goes beyond a certain limit, and if for example, if you want to make a prepaid energy meter and you have to set the values like for example, if you have completely discharged your balance, then you have to recharge again and all those kinds of stuff. And I have also given the additional port over here, which will this thing you can use to send the data to your like GSM module or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can use anything you want. So let's run the circuit and check. I will also try to verify the values with you. From that is why I have added two meters. This one is AC meter. Let me show you. This one is AC meter, which is measuring the value that is approximately, you can see that, you can see there is a ripples over there, and you will see this value is approximately 220 or 222 something. So let's come over here. So you can see this one is 220 volts. So now let me show you the current. The current over here is, you can see this is 2.23 or something, 2.2, but that value is little fluctuation is there. So you can see this one is 2.23 and sometimes it's going 2.25 and something is 2.23. So there is a power factor as well. You can see the power factor is dropping if you add a more inductive load. then this thing is the kilowatt. You can calculate it, and you can also verify my readings. Well, I already have verified it on the paper as well. So this is kilowatt hour, like how much kilowatt that you hour that you have consumed. And this one is the INR. You can see that I have make my system a little fast, because I have to show you the kilowatt hour, but in actual it will take too much time to show you just 0.01 kilowatt or something. But because this thing needs 1 hour to calculate all those values, but over here in simulation I just have fast forward it. And you can get the readings over here. Like this one is the mobile number, like you can add your mobile number over here, and this thing is sending the data like hours, how many hours this thing has to keep running on. This is the daily unit, how much unit has been consumed. That is 2.68 INR, the bill that you have consumed, including the taxes and bills. This thing is the balance. And you will see that as I have consumed all of my balance, like right now I have 1.94. And for example, if the balance goes beyond zero, like drops zero, then this thing will give a this will turn off the load, and this thing also start showing on over here that mobile sending data, and please recharge your account, no balance, Indian rupee, or you can add any currency according to your country. And you can see this thing is turned off. This thing is a 12 volt, but this thing is not a 12 volt, this thing is a 12-volt load. But this thing is just a demonstration, just to show you you can add a 220 load or anything you want. So this thing is what is all about. I hope you like it, and if you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. And for the files, you can send a mail on my mail ID. I will also place a link in description.